Over time, routine fuel filter changes can weaken the OE drain plug. This can lead to a strip plug, or worse, the plug breaking off inside the housing. Let's end this headache for good. The XDP water and fuel drain plug is a much more durable and reliable plug than the factory plastic one in your Ford Powerstroke. The XD346 is constructed from sturdy aluminum, which will outperform the OE part in strength, durability, and sealing ability. Each drain plug comes ready to install and includes 3 new O-rings to ensure a leak-free seal. To find out more about the XDP WIF drain plug, check out xdp.com or contact a local dealer near you.
Have any questions or want to know more? Drop a comment below and be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.